Welcome back everyone to the Hello Guy. This is another episode of our new series, the first episode of our new series actually. And in this series, we are going to create a small game using SFML, which is a simple and fast multimedia library. It's a library in C++ for you can use to create games using just C++ or any other language basically. So yeah, it's got a bunch of advantages. As you can see, I've opened up the main page and you can see it says that it's multimedia, which means like you can do a lot of stuff, mobile phones and tablets, and you can do like handle system stuff, windows, and creating windows and kind of rendering stuff using graphics, including like 2D and 3D graphics. And then you can do like audio and networking as well with it. Networking is also included, and so is audio, which makes stuff a lot easier. And it's also multi-platform, which means you can do Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and basically a lot of other stuff. I mean, this is basically the main operating system, so you can kind of create stuff from that. And Android and iOS are not yet implemented, but they will be soon. And SFML is a multi-language thing, which means it can do a for a bunch of different languages like C, C++, Java, .NET, or any other thing, and like Ruby, Python, Go, and a bunch of other stuff. But we are gonna do it for C++. And the game we are going to create is going to be a simple Dodger game. So first of all, I'm going to open up a I'm going to open up the download page, which I will leave a link for in the description. So let's open that. And in here you can see it says download SFML, and make sure to open up the 2.5.1, which is the latest version, and make sure that you've also got the latest version of Visual Studio, and just download the 2015 C++15. As you can see, if we are not using a newer version, then this has to exactly match. So if you've got an older Visual Studio like for 2015, 13, or any other of that kind of stuff, then you will have to go ahead and download it download it for that exact version, or else you'll have to recompile it on your own. And obviously we've got downloads for Linux, Mac OS, and just source code as well. So this is an open source project, which means that the source code is basically available. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. And we have got 32-bit and 64-bit runs as well, but 32-bit normally runs on 64-bit, so we are gonna actually do 32-bit here. And we are going to download the latest one, because if you have got a Visual Studio 2017 or later, then you can actually download this one and it will work. So yeah, this as far as downloading is concerned. And next video we'll actually set it up. And as far as this video goes, I'm going to actually end this here. And yeah, this was just a short introduction to our new series. So in the next video, we are actually going to go ahead and start getting everything installed inside of Visual Studio, and that will be pretty awesome. And then we will obviously start making our game. So yeah, to share this video with other people if you want to learn more about like C++ and games using just plain C++. So yeah, we'll go on with this series, and I will see you in the next video. And make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.